what comes to mind when we think about Dubai? It is an incredible city. Every time I visit there is something new. It's a place that constantly evolving, growing faster than almost anywhere else in the world. Dubai offers very interesting mix of experiences: stunning marinas, sandy beaches, the tallest buildings, the shopping malls, massive man-made islands, and even historic sites, all in one city. And of course, luxury cars are everywhere. You can find any car you want in Dubai. But what about motorcycles? What if you don't want to drive, don't want to take a taxi, and looking for a different way to explore the city? That's exactly what I wanted to find out. I was curious, what is a motorcycle scene like here? So, to get better understanding on what Dubai has to offer, I headed to Dubai Motor City, a hub for everything automotive. It's got a racetrack, a motorcycle shop, a driving school, and a lot more. If you're into cars and bikes, this is the place. By the way, I previously made a video about Yas Marina Circuit in Abu Dhabi, so check that out if you're curious. At Motor City, I visited Oldtimer, which seemed to be the biggest motorcycle store in Dubai. I met Peter, who manages the shop, and he shared some interesting insights with me. So he told me that over the years, motorcycles have become more popular in Dubai as more people start riding. So naturally I asked what bikes are the most popular, and turns out it is a mix of adventure bikes and the sport bikes. Why? Well, people don't really use motorcycles for daily commuting here. Instead, they ride for traveling within the UAE, taking trips to nearby countries, or hitting the track. With Dubai extreme heat, the best time to ride is from October to March, which is considered the winter season here. What are the most popular bikes? There is BMW GS, Honda Africa Twin, and Yamaha T7, but what caught my eye was something unexpected. A bunch of fully customized Honda monkeys parked in the back of the shop. I had to check that out. Dubai is huge and you need to cover some serious distance to see it all. From the historic Deira district to the Museum of the Future or Palm Jumeirah. So I figured why not to experience Dubai on a motorcycle myself. And I went to Jorge, who runs a motorcycle rental and tours company here in Dubai, and he set me up with a BMW GS. It had been a while, but you know how it is, once you get back on it, it feels like at home. So off I went for my little exploration ride. First impressions, Dubai roads are great, smooth, well maintained and surprisingly calm. I did not see people speeding or aggressively switching the lanes, which made the ride feel safe and enjoyable. And then there are views. I am not usually a fan of riding in big cities because of traffic, and I typically go for a public transport or taxi instead, but here it did not feel like a hassle. The only downside is the heat. So even with minimal riding gear, it was intense. The BMW GS is a comfortable bike, but with that big engine, which generates a lot of extra heat, it doesn't help. So what is my verdict on riding in Dubai? If you really want to enjoy it, ride in the evenings. You'll catch beautiful sunsets and avoid getting cooked alive. Another great option is taking a road trip outside of the city or even an overnight trip to the desert, which could be an unforgettable experience. But if you're just looking to explore Dubai itself, car or a taxi probably a better choice unless you really want a motorcycle experience. And for those who want to experience untouched nature, lush green landscapes, and some of the most scenic roads in Europe, I invite you to Montenegro. You can join one of our tours or simply rent a motorcycle and explore at your own pace. That's it for this video. Let me know, would you ride in Dubai? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and until next one, cheers!